Hello everyone, this is Dr. Govind Raigar. I will like to show you a small demonstration. Please try to understand the message behind that. Okay. Now can you see this bottle? Yes. The water which is present in this bottle, this is the information. This is your syllabus. It is syllabus of anatomy, syllabus of pharmacology, syllabus of medicine, of any subject. So this is the information. And this is the brain of an average student. It may be a little less or little more, but on an average, this is the size of the brain. So can this all information go inside this brain? Obviously not. So here comes the role of a teacher of a coaching institute. But I am sorry to say, most of the coaching institutes, they fail in this aspect miserably. So what is the role? Role is to select out the information which the student require, which must go inside the brain. So we have selected the information which is required, and this is the brain of the student. So now we are wanting to pass this information. So we pass this information. What happened? नहीं गया brain में. Why? Because the lid is closed. दिमाग का ढक्कन बंद है. So when the lid is closed, nothing will go inside the brain. So if the student is not interested in studying, if the student think the studies are a burden, then nothing will go in the brain. Whatever we may try to give, whatever interesting we make, but student will not gain anything. So the foremost point is to open the lid of the brain, to keep an interest in the studies. Now most of the students, you are preparing for PG entrance or for your prof exams, so obviously you want to retain the information, you want the information, so the lid is already open. So the lid is open, information is there, so we are trying to give the information. So what happened? Yes, little bit went inside, but most of it is spilled outside. Now why it has spilled outside? Because the information was not in a cohesive manner. Information was not that much interesting. So student tried to study for 8 hours, 10 hours a day, but was able to concentrate only for 1 hour or maximum 2 hours. Rest of the 8 hours he is studying but thinking here and there, because the studies were not that much interesting. So what we will make is, we will take out the information, make it very interesting with the help of formation of stories, with the day-to-day live examples, so that the student can connect. And when the student study now, everything will go into the brain. Nothing will spill outside. Everything will go inside the brain. Nothing will spill outside. Okay? So can you use something which can help in this process, make it easier? Yes, you can use this funnel. This funnel, it may be in the form of a PowerPoint. It may be in the form of some mnemonics. Okay? And you must have seen in the coaching institutes, in the colleges, this funnel is used like this. So when we try to pass the information, now even the little bit which has to go earlier, even that do not go. Now why this happened? Because this funnel is used not properly. The PowerPoint which you must have seen many times in the colleges, the teacher come with the PowerPoint और अपना revise करके चला जाता है. Or sometimes the mnemonics are made in such a manner that we need another mnemonic to remember that mnemonic. Okay? So the important thing is this funnel, this helping hand, this should be used in a proper manner so that information goes easily inside the brain. It do not spill outside. Okay? So the basic points or the main points which comes from this demonstration is, number one, do not keep your lid closed. दिमाग के ढक्कन को खुला रखो, पढ़ाई को बोझ मत समझो. So because if you try to study, if you try to understand, only then you will gain something. Number two, पढ़ो उतना चाहिए जितना. Do not try to study too many things, because you will not be able to retain everything. And third, and the most important thing, choose your source wisely, because if you do not use the funnel in the proper way, then very less will go inside the brain. Clear? Thank you very much.